We've got an oil leak. We assume back up in there. Been leaking for a while, as you can see. Tractor needs serviced. We're going to pull the hood off, and hopefully it's just a line underneath there. We'll see if Bob can figure out the hood here. Gonna have to clean this up a little better. These two clamps were loose. I think that's all it was. Anyway, Bob's pulling the oil plug and we're gonna service it. Probably get all this cleaned up. Alright, we got her all back together. Oil changed, filter changed. And we've got to get fuel filter. Probably put the air cleaner in it. Looks like that coolant filter ought to be changed, Bob. He's looking up. We're going to get rid of all that pre-cleaner. It's been jockeyed on there for some time. Probably just get a new exhaust tip and then a standard air cleaner cap. We don't run in the dusty conditions that we used to. Next morning, guys, new fuel filters. Bob and I just got back from John Deere. That's the conglomerate we had. He's going to put that on. I'll pump these filters up. We got a major leak. All right, I'll bring it back. Having trouble getting the pipe off. Put a new air cleaner in. That's the old one. So yeah, get that washed up. But new air cleaner, new rain cap on. Air cleaner tube. And he's trying to get that knocked off so we can get the new exhaust on. Bob doesn't like the height of the pipe here. It's above the cab. Makes it harder to get in the lean-to. We want to put it in there. So I think we're going to chop it off and go from there. And we cut her off a little on top. I guess that's where we're going to end up. Getting ready to pull GPS systems out of this one. I don't know if I mentioned it, no, I don't think I have. Bought two more GFX 350s with nav 500 antennas. So getting our 250s out and our Ag 15 antennas off. Sold one on the Facebook Marketplace yesterday to a guy in Paris, Missouri. And we'll get this one out and probably get it listed. My son's done working on the Ranger. I guess he's going to work on the 350 now. 250. See what it looks like when he gets all that put on. I'm going to try not to be involved. Well, I didn't get any pictures of him or video of him doing the lift, but that's it. And definitely sits up higher. He took his steps off. He wanted the clean look. Pretty tall. I'm not going to bore you guys. Friday, February, what, about 7th maybe? I don't know, somewhere in there. We've been putting fertilizer on all day, and there's nothing different than every other time we put fertilizer on. Fill it up, run it out. Fill it up, run it out. We got 40-mile-an-hour gusts today. They got the bridge out behind me. Let's see if I can put you in the mirror here. They got excavators sitting. So we're putting on this 80. Whoop, sorry fellas. Putting on this 80. We've already put on this 90. This will be corn. That's wheat, as you can see. A little thin right here where we packed the ground. We put on about 400 acres this morning. So, like I said, not gonna bore you. I don't think she's going to be a cold weather animal.